Welcome to Mo Does DIYs. My name is Mo, and I'm really happy you stopped by today. If you've been following me for the last few weeks, you know that I'm a brand new DIYer, a brand new channel, and I'm just practicing here and having a lot of fun. And so I recently got the Cricut Maker for an early Mother's Day present, and so I got the Cricut Maker bundle set or whatever in the color mint. And so this is going to be my very first projects with my Cricut Maker, and it was surprisingly way easier than I thought, so that's great. And if you want to skip ahead to the giveaway, that is at minute 4 and 46 seconds. Welcome to my giveaway. I do giveaways once a month. My name is Maureen, if you're new here. And so, yeah, I'm a new DIYer, and I just started, a couple months ago. I'm new at this, so I'm still practicing. So let's do the giveaway. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Thin Nguyen 35. I'm gonna have to put this up. ThinHNGUYEN 35. This person only commented like one time. That is insane. I have people that commented like 50 times. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Eyeshadow Shopper. I love her channel. Eyeshadow Shopper, you won my giveaway. She's amazing. Such a sweetheart. All right, Thin Nguyen 35, and then Eyeshadow Shopper. And I'm not offended if you don't want to send me your address, because I don't send my address out to many people. Like, trust me, you know, it's a crazy world out there. So I'm not offended. So if you want to just find out the card numbers, let me know. And so you have 2 days to contact me. Thin Nguyen and Eyeshadow Shopper won my giveaway this week. And I'm doing a $40 gift card next week as well, so stay tuned. And I go through my my DIY playlist every single time. So if you comment 1 week, but then you erase that comment, or you stop following me and you're not, you know, on that video anymore, then you're not going to be in the next giveaway. So like every week I write down, you know, every week I start over and okay, basically every single week I do this all over again. I write every single name down. So if your name is in my DIY playlist last week, but you erased my comment or something, or you stopped following me, or, you know, whatever, I mean, because it happens. And so then you're not going to be in my giveaway the next week. So your comment has to stay in there, because I do this fresh every single week. Look, my DIY, the Comical Canadian, Blaker Maker DIY, Mama of BAD, Mochi, who else? Gwen Nunley, Veronica Salas, All Things Beauty. You're all in there, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, well, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you guys so much. And I just have so much fun here, and you guys give me so much purpose every day. And, you know, I'm an autism mommy, and, you know, mom and wife and homemaker and all that, but you guys give me so much purpose, so much joy, and you guys like literally make my life. So thank you for being here and watching and enjoying some of my DIYs. And so on that note, I'll see you guys later. I'm going to have a Dollar Tree haul up next.